What's up guys, welcome back to Tech Phantom, and this is the very first teaser of the iQOO Neo 8 series smartphone, which are going to be a flagship grade level smartphones. Let's find out how good are these smartphones as per at least on the paper for now, as the launch date has been revealed in China. It's launching on May 23rd. Later it will be coming to India as well, and we'll talk about that later in the upcoming videos also. So let's get started. So the very first thing which iQOO has confirmed is that the iQOO Neo 8 Pro and the 8 series will be a flagship grade smartphone, and the Neo 8 Pro is going to be coming with the Mediatek Dimensity 9200 plus SoC, which is almost on par with the flagships of the Snapdragon. Now, also what we also know about these smartphones is that it will be coming with a 50 megapixel of a primary sensor, an ultra-wide camera, and a 2 megapixel of a macro depth sensor, which will be coming up with the whole of the triple camera setup. But not only that, there is also cool things and the greatest features which are coming in the smartphone is the Wi-Fi 7, LPDDR5X RAM with a 16 gigs of RAM, and also UFS 4.0 storage, which is a flagship level features to have in the smartphones. Now, also the phone will be coming with the base storage of a 128 gigs, which will be supporting UFS 3.1, but the memory options having 256 gigs and more will be featured a UFS 4.0 storage, which is a good thing to have. Now, we also know that the Mediatek Dimensity 9200 Plus is a flagship processor which having a peak clock speed of 3.35 GHz, and it's based on 4 nanometer of fabrication. Now, it will also be coming with the V1 Plus image processing signal processor, which is deemed to be enhancing overall camera performance, and also the refresh rate and the display of this phone is going to be crazy one, as it will be coming with a 1.5K of resolution display, AMOLED display, in-display fingerprint scanner, and 144 Hz of high refresh rate. Now, it seems like this phone is going to be direct competition with the Asus ROG Phone 7, and not only that, the battery capacity of this phone is also going to be a great one at 5000 mAh battery. Also the fast charging support is going to be a 120 Hz, and you will be getting a layer of Origin OS 3 out of the box in this phone in China right now. But India, we also know iQOO has its own software, so doing something with its own software, so it will be coming with the same. Now, also the Neo 8 will be coming with the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 SoC, which is the last year of flagship processor, which was a good processor overall. And let's find out how actually can the iQOO paste its price to buy the competition and to get the better value for offer overall. The expected price of the iQOO Neo 8 Pro is expected to be around of to 50 to 60,000 rupees, and the Neo 8 will be coming with around 40,000 rupees of price mark. Now, what do you think about these prices for the iQOO smartphones flagship experience? Let me know in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the very next one. Thanks for watching.